Today we're gonna go. I mean, today we're gonna do a review about a Godzilla toy that I collected. So starting out first is Gigan, right here, and it's like the new one. This is a new one and it came from Amazon. This is Destroyer and it came from Amazon too. This is Warbat and it came in like Amazon and like in my birthday. So it's like I don't know. This is Earth Godzilla and oh yeah, he came from Amazon. And this is Anguirus. He came from Amazon too. This is Gigan, and it's like him, but like different. He's like the old one, and that's the new one. This is I forgot his name, and he's not from Godzilla. I thought he was, but he wasn't. And he came from Amazon. This is Space Godzilla, and he came from Amazon. And yeah. And this is Skull Collar right here. Skull Collar, he came from last Christmas. And yeah. And this is Jet Jaguar. Wait, let me show you. Okay. This is Jet Jaguar. And he came from Amazon. And Jet Jaguar, he didn't move that much. King Kong, and I got him from Christmas. And he has a battle axe. Oh, this is all the atomic graphs. Me and my brother made him. And this is my Godzilla toy, and from Amazon. No, actually Christmas. Yeah, Christmas. This is Belante. He came from Amazon. And this is Godzilla. I don't know where he came from. I forgot. And yeah, forgot where he came. And this is Mecha King Ghidorah, the biggest. Well, actually, the second biggest toy. I don't know if it's the third biggest. I need to count. What was the third one? This is Shin Godzilla. Oh yeah, and the Mecha King Ghidorah, he came from Amazon. And Shin Godzilla, Final Form, I think, I don't know. He came from Amazon too. This is the new Mecha Godzilla thing. Yeah, this is the like Godzilla, Mecha Godzilla. And this is Mothra. Some look different, but this one's it. This is Burning Godzilla. He came from Amazon, and Mothra came from Christmas, and Mecha Godzilla came from Amazon. That's it. And this is King Kong, the big one. He came from Walmart. Yeah, he came from Walmart. And yeah, he's like this one's smaller and this one's the biggest one. Yeah. Mecha Godzilla doesn't have like an atomic breath like right now. So I have this Lego right here. You do it. Yeah, so that's gonna be it. But oh yeah, I forgot one. This is Rodan. He came from Christmas. And yeah. This is Mecha Godzilla right here. He came from what's it called? Amazon. Yeah. These come from Warbat. This one came from Warbat. This came from King Kong, I think. I don't know. I forgot. This one came from Mecha Godzilla. Yeah. And this one I forgot came. It's a helicopter. Yeah. That's it. And this is the stickers that I wanted. Yeah, I like Godzilla. That was. So, yeah, sorry I haven't uploaded for a long time. And yeah. Oh yeah. Subscribe, like, and yeah, just do that. And yeah. Bye. I'll see you next video.